TypeScript Tuples. Typed arrays. A tuple is a typed array with a predefined length and types for each index. Tuples are great because they allow each element in the array to be a known type of value. To define a tuple, specify the type of each element in the array. Even though we have a boolean, string, and number, the order matters in our tuple and will throw an error. Read-only tuple. A good practice is to make your tuple read-only. Tuples only have strongly defined types for the initial values. If you have ever used React before, you have worked with tuples more than likely. UseState returns a tuple of the value and a setter function. Const firstname set firstname equals UseState Dylan is a common example. Because of the structure, we know our first value in our list will be a certain value type, in this case a string, and the second value a function. Named tuples. Named tuples allow us to provide context for our values at each index. Named tuples provide more context for what our index values represent. Destructuring tuples. Since tuples are arrays, we can also destructure them. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.